As a member of the Board of Directors of South Country Co-op, I solemnly pledge to uphold the highest standards of governance, ethical leadership, and strategic oversight. I commit to acting in the best interest of our co-op, ensuring that every decision aligns with our purpose statement, enriching lives and communities, and reflects our core values of customer focus, building awesome teams, and communicates effectively. I will lead with integrity, accountability, and a commitment to financial stewardship, always prioritizing the needs of our members. I will support the strategic initiatives that align with our vision, growing forward while creating successes and returns for generations of tomorrow, and reinforce our value proposition. I will advocate for the growth and well-being of our team members, ag producers and commercial partners, and consumer customers, ensuring that our co-op remains a trusted, innovative, and community-focused organization. With a commitment to transparency, collaboration, and continuous improvement, I will work to uphold the principles of our cooperative model, reinvesting in our people, communities, and future. I take this oath with the understanding that my role is not just to serve, but to lead with purpose, ensuring South Country Co-op thrives for generations to come.